Hello, I'm Alex Rodway. I've just graduated from Jesus College in biology, and I've been lucky enough to come to Bermuda to work for Dr. Samia Sarkis on her coral gardening projects. So the main work we've been doing since we got here is working on the coral gardens themselves. So this involves going out, collecting stray coral fragments from the ocean, from the field, taking them back to the lab and micro-fragmenting them, so cutting them into small pieces which can then be glued to tiles and then replanted out on these pyramid structures, which are the coral gardens. We've been looking at growth rates, whether they're affected by the size of the coral fragments and other conditions such as the direction that they're facing in. So this has involved a variety of lab work, but also diving and snorkeling, and it's just been so interesting. So I've learned so much about boulder coral specifically. Recently, we've actually also just by chance been lucky enough to see corals spawning in the lab. So we collected big colonies and brought them back to the lab and watched them spawn in real time, and then collected the larvae from that and measured the settlement rate. So obviously, before I came, I looked up photos and videos of Bermuda, and it looks like paradise, right? It really is. It's beautiful. We've gone to beaches all around the island, some of the most stunning beaches I've ever seen. We've been caving. There's a series of caves that runs throughout the whole island. So there's some that are full of water where you can kind of dive down into them. Others where you can really trek deep into the cave. So that's been so fun. There's lagoons. There's a blue hole is one of my favorite places we've been, which is just this big, slightly inland lagoon. Boat trips around the island, places you can jump into the sea off cliffs, just all round paradise really.